Hello everyone, I'm Elaine Adao from the Mastermind Hub co-working space, and today I'm going to teach you on how to schedule Facebook ads. The first step is to go to facebook.com and open your account. After opening your account, make sure to go to your page. As you can see, your page is now on your screen. Press on the Create Post. Then just type in whatever you want to say. For example, let us put on sale on June 5, 2021 at 6 o'clock p.m. As you can see at the bottom, there is schedule and save your post. Press on or click on the publishing tools. On the left corner of your page, which is post, click on the schedule post. Then, click on the create post. As you can see, you can now schedule your post. Just edit the date and the time of your post. On the Facebook text, write down the caption that is in line with your schedule post. As you can see here, there are two types of option: desktop newsfeed or mobile newsfeed. You could also insert a link or add a feeling or activity on your post. Once you're done scheduling your post, you can now click on the Schedule Post button. Now your scheduled post is saved. You just have to wait on the scheduled date given. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something on this video. Don't forget to like our page, like and share this video. Bye!